Hey YouTube family, it's Iona with Vegan Legacy coming to you from the bench again today. And yeah, it's a great day. I did my three miles, which was one round at Memorial Park, and it was really good. Enjoyed it, and took a break, sat here on the bench for a little while, and I'll turn it so you can see the golf course. Water. And so yeah, it was really good. Talked to some golfers today. Didn't get to do an interview with any of them. Maybe at some point. We'll see. Um, but yeah, even had one that blew a kiss at me. So he was being nice. But anyways, yeah. Sorry, a little shy when it comes to stuff like that. But the dragonflies, I don't know. Let me see if you can see them. I don't know if my iPhone can pick them up, if you can see them. There's so many of them. I don't know if you caught that or not, because iPhone needs the flip thing. But anyways, the dragonflies are it's very peaceful just to sit here. There's a little breeze, and just to look at the little fireflies, not fireflies. What do you call them? Dragonflies? To watch them fly around, just floating around. And so, and the little squirrels. There's some little squirrels and stuff out here. And yeah, it's a great day. So, what do we want to talk about? I do want to mention that VegFest is tomorrow, Saturday the 17th, from 10 to 4 p.m., 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Stafford Hall or Stafford Center. And I forget the numbers, but it's on Cash Road in Stafford, so you can Google it, Stafford Center. Or you can look on Facebook. They have a Facebook. They have a Facebook page, the Vegan Society. They have a Facebook Vegan Society or Vegan. Oops. I'm so bad with names. Anyways, it's posted on Facebook. If anything, you can go to my Facebook page. I think I shared it, or I know I joined it, or you could just Google it, VegFest, and it should pop up on your search in Facebook. Or it might if you just Google VegFest in Houston, Texas. And so anyways, yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. They've got, I think excuse me, if I remember correctly, they've got 3 different panels. They have a parenting one for vegan parents. They've got a medical one with some doctors who are vegan. And then they have, what was the other one? I forgot the other one. But anyways, there's going to be there's a lot of restaurants in Houston. Some big, some small, some food trucks that are vegan. So there's going to be a lot of vendors there that sell vegan food, prepare vegan food. And so I'm really looking forward to exploring that. I'll come with another video tomorrow. My daughter, she's so excited for VegFest because, we'll get to see and meet other vegans who live here in Houston. And so yeah, and so hopefully I look forward to doing some interviews with some of the vegans that will be here. I'm gonna turn it, let's see, the guys. We'll see, they removed the flag. That means they're gonna try to get a shot in there. If you can see it, he's going to. He's eyeballing it to see if he can get it in. But yeah. Anyways, VegFest. So yeah, that's all. I just wanted to make a quick video to tell you guys about VegFest. I don't have any particular topic on my brain this morning other than spread the love. People watching. And so, yeah, love yourself and love others, you know, and love this planet. I mean, you know, we're here for, life is short, guys. You know, we're here for a small time compared to eternity, you know. And so while you're here, you leave a legacy. Everyone has a legacy to leave. And you'll either leave a legacy of love, compassion, you know, kindness, gentleness, meekness, fruits of the Spirit. If you know about that, it's in the Bible in Galatians. And it talks about the fruits of the Spirit. And just basically, it's just talking about like character, like, you know, just having good character, being a person of integrity, you know, being honest and open, you know, and no hiding. Oh yeah, I just noticed in my sunglasses you could see the little pond thing. Sorry. I am who I am. It's the real deal. So, but anyways, yeah, be honest, you know. It's like this, you know, you meet people and you know, one example is you say, "How you doing?" "Oh, I'm blessed, I'm fair, blah blah blah." You know, and that's true. You are blessed. We are blessed people. But you know, if you're not feeling good, you're having a bad day, just be real and be like, you know, pray for me. I'm having a rough day today. You know, just be real. And for me, how I'm doing today, I'm doing good actually. I feel really good. That a smoothie that I made yesterday was so good, man. I made 2 of them in the video, and I said I was gonna I was gonna try to drink both of them and save the other one for later, but I actually ended up giving the second one away. And why am I telling you that? And it's just because I had mentioned on the other one I would save it and drink it later if I didn't drink it. So in all honesty, I did give it away and didn't drink it. But today when I go home, I kind of want to make a green smoothie, but then again, that watermelon. So I'll probably smash in the watermelon, you know, and see. And it's really hot in Houston right now, so for me in the hot weather, I really don't crave to eat a whole lot. And it's not like starvation or anything like that. I just, excuse me, I just don't feel hungry. And so like after I had that smoothie yesterday, like I was done for the evening, like, you know. And other than water, you know, I just been drinking so much water. I've been very thirsty. And so just been drinking lots and lots of water. And but today, you know, I am gonna get into that watermelon when I go home. I really love watermelon, but that smoothie was excellent. And so, so we'll see, you know, if I have more than the watermelon. Last time the watermelon was more than enough for me. Because when it's hot, you just don't really feel like having a lot, you know. So, but that's me. I don't recommend that. I'm not a doctor. You know, if you are looking into going on any kind of diet or thing like that, you know, check with your doctor, as they always say, you know. Me personally, I don't like to go to doctor. No hate on doctors, but I just haven't ever. I rarely have been to a doctor, um, especially in my adult life. I've rarely been, and I mean, thank you, Lord, like for real, because I've been relatively healthy, even when I was eating such a bad stuff. I mean, really. But yeah, and then since I went vegan in 2015 in October, and since then, like, it's been really good. Other than colds and stuff like that, or detoxing. Like right now, I feel like I'm really going through some good detoxing. And things like that. Cough up a lot of mucus. I know that's gross. Sorry, I will not put any picture on there to make you puke, but yeah, it's pretty gross. And so cleaning all that out, because before I was eating all the junk food when I was just doing raw, I had a brief period of detox, and then after that it was fine. There was like no mucus or anything like that. And but felt amazing in those 3 months. So right now I'm kind of doing just the raw stuff. I really don't feel like cooked food, and especially since it's so hot here. I'm not anti-cooked food. I do like in the colder season, cooked food, spicy food, that I do enjoy. So yeah. So anyways, what else? Anyways, I guess I'm gonna go. I'm pretty cooled off. I finished. What do we got here? We got one water, and this one. Oh, look at the little car. Okay, this one, just a cheapy water. And then I'm about to finish this one, and then I'm gonna go get back on the track and do another round. The last time I went to do the second round, that was enough for me. And so then I just stretched out and then went home. Or I went to Trader Joe's or whatever, and y'all saw that in the last video. So anyways, God bless you guys. I love you to life, and have a great day. Be vegan. No. Okay, let me extract that. Be you, and check out veganism. Do your research. There's a lot of things. Okay, sorry, I said I was leaving, but hold on. There was a lot of, there's a lot of research, and you have that tool, the internet, and so check it out. Why do people go vegan? I don't know necessarily that title, but what it does to the environment. And if you think about it, okay, you have your dog, right, or cat, or whatever, bird in your house, fish, whatever. And so the dog, you're not gonna, kill the dog, rip his hair out and cut him up and eat him, right? You're not gonna do that. So from a vegan's point of view is, why would you do that to other animals who want to live? I mean, animals want to live. They don't want to die. Look at the cow. Cow's so cute. And the cow, he doesn't want to die. And the milk, it's not for us. The milk is for baby cows. It's to make that baby cow grow into this big thing. I mean, our milk comes from our mother's breast, and that is the best milk for us. But then we grow up and we don't want to drink that anymore. Then we want to eat food and fruits and things like that. And so the thing is that, yeah, we're not meant to drink milk, and it causes a lot of mucus. That's one thing I could testify for myself, was when I went vegan, I had less mucus. I mean, right now I'm getting over a cold and I'm detoxing and stuff like that because I ate lots of junk food and stuff like that. But seriously, like, it's not good for you. And then they have studies that have shown that the milk does not save your bones, that it actually contributes to osteoporosis. And so you might want to do a research on that and check it out. As soon as I learn how to edit and do all this YouTube stuff, I'll bring you more informative videos where I can post that stuff in there and stuff like that. Right now, all I know is how to hit the button, shoot it, and upload it. I don't know how to do that. Looking at creating thumbnails. I was watching some stuff on that last night. So I'll learn. I'm just starting. So anyways, yeah. So, but yeah, think about it. Vegans really, I mean, forget about all that other junk that has been on YouTube where vegans are tearing apart each other. But look at, okay, what is the vision? What was the original vision of veganism? Was for people to have compassion, you know, excuse me, without cruelty to animals as much as possible. There's a quote from the Vegan Society. I'll try to post that in my comments. Oh, sorry. But anyways, I'll try to post that. I'm gonna drink some water. Look at the trees. Good grief. So anyways, good grief. So I will, I posted that actually in my description, I think on the Vegans Devouring Vegans video. I posted on one of the descriptions, anyways, from the Vegan Society. You can check out their webpage, and that'll give you a lot more information too. So yeah, anyways, God bless you guys. Regardless of whatever you're doing, I mean, smash in the vegetables and the fruits. I mean, if you are into meat, I mean, you got to know, like, the studies, that are out there that, they always tell you, like, reduce your meat intake and increase your fruits and vegetables. Majority doctors, they'll tell you that. Are you eating your fruits and veggies? Some doctors, will tell people, yeah, get in your, eat some meat, but stuff like that. But that's what they promote. Excuse me. Anyways, God bless you guys. I got to go.